I'm Bhavisha, a power programmer in the Strategic Technology Group at Infosys. In STG, we work on complex technology challenges that sit at the heart of large enterprise systems. It's about understanding how systems connect and designing solutions that scale reliably. Another exciting part is the exposure to leadership. We often work closely with CXO teams translating vision into real technology solutions. Infosys nurtures an environment where your teammates become your friends. When I get a mind block, I step out to de-stress. Then, it's back to solving the next challenge. Because working in STG means you are not just building software, you're helping shape how large systems evolve. Moving upward and forward with STG Infosys. Navigating our next.